I'm super excited to be sharing the last segment of Back to School Cookies. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Back to School series. 2 weeks ago I shared with you how to make back to school apple cookies, and last week we did the classic yellow pencils and lined paper. And this week we're also doing, I feel this is a classic as well, chalkboard cookies. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider signing up and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified about my new uploads. And now let's get started. So I ended up using a rectangular shape for these cookies, but you can use other shapes as well. I think rectangle works really well. I'm gonna spread thin layer of thick royal icing across the cookies. I'm starting with black. I'm doing black chalkboard cookies. I know chalkboard now comes in green and perhaps even in other colors, I don't know, but black and green I think are the most common ones. I'm adding white to get that chalkboard look. And I'm just gonna clean up the edges a little bit. We're gonna add a border, so you don't need the black all the way to the edge. So I'm using brown icing here. So we have like a wood border or frame for the chalkboard. And I'm using about 20-second consistency here. We're going to outline and also fill the frame or the border with this icing. You can use chocolate brown straight from a bottle, food coloring if you have that, or you can make up your own by mixing green and red icing. That will give you also a nice brown. Or if you don't have any brown, you can use cocoa powder. A little bit of cocoa powder will tint the icing. It's not gonna be super dark brown, but it will tint the icing a little bit. Or you could make it any color. I mean, you could also use other colors. I don't see why you couldn't use other colors for the frame. So get creative. I'm going to wait for the icing to dry, and then we can use edible marker to create a wood grain on the frame. Unfortunately, this bit didn't get recorded for some reason, so here is another example of the same technique. So using edible marker, drawing the wood grain lines onto the dry brown icing. Now I'm including apples because I just love how they look here. And for this, you want to use about 20-second consistency royal icing. You could also make these as transfers. Perhaps you even have some royal icing transfers that are apples, and they are small enough to fit on your cookies, so you can just pop them on there, glue them on your icing with a little bit of icing for the glue. I'm going to write back to school with white icing. You can use soft piping consistency to piping consistency for that. Depends on how comfortable you feel with these consistencies. If you need to, you can practice on a piece of parchment or wax paper or even on a plexiglass, and you can just keep practicing until you feel confident and go directly on a cookie. I'm going to let the apples crust before adding the leaf and a stem. Now to add the stem, I'm using actually brown Jimmy sprinkles, and I'm just gonna very gently press the sprinkle into the green leaf. And that's how you can make these back to school chalkboard cookies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and also this series. You can go back and watch the remaining series if you haven't seen them already. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time.